Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making a dish known for its diversity, something that's used in a number of different cultures, and that is curry. Today I'll be making Japanese curry, but over the next few weeks I'm going to be making a number of different curries, showcasing their differences, but also showing how they're all similar in certain aspects. Now, curry was introduced to Japan in the 1860s by the British. This was during the time of imperial rule in India. And the initial recipe actually was made using British curry powder, not Indian curry. So it was thought of as a Western curry as opposed to an Eastern curry. Really ramped up in popularity after that, especially with the Army and Navy. And now it rivals popularity with sushi and tempura. Alright, let's make some curry. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is start on the curry roux. And the reason we're going to start out with this is because it's going to take about 20 or 30 minutes to get it right. So what I'm doing here is melting down 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I'm going to be folding in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So we're going to be doing here 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm going to bring it together, drop the heat down to like a medium-low heat. I'm going to let this go for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm looking for a light brown color before moving on to the next step. Okay, so we've got the color we're looking for. Nice light brown. So my next step is going to be adding the spices. I've got a tablespoon of garam masala, a tablespoon of curry spice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to go ahead and add this and cook it down for about a minute, and that should be it for the roux. We're going to get a pot of white rice going here. I got 2 cups of seasoned water and 1 cup of rinsed white rice. So I'm going to pour this in, drop this down to a simmer, and give this about 15 minutes with a lid over top. Alright, let's start getting the curry together. Starting out with a hot pot with a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to start out by browning off some chicken. Alright, we got a little bit of browning. The next step's going to be adding some diced yellow onions. And we're going to let these guys caramelize a little bit. Okay, we got a little color on our onions, so now we're going to be adding some carrots, and we're going to throw in some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Alright, so we're going to add our potatoes, but first we're going to add shredded Fuji apple and 1 tablespoon of honey. And now I'm adding 1 peeled and large diced russet potato. And we're going to cook these potatoes all the way through, and then we'll be adding our curry roux. Okay, so I just brought it back up to a boil. The roux has done what I wanted it to do, which is just add some thickness, good looking consistency. So next I'm going to be adding some soy sauce and some ketchup. That's going to be it. Thanks for watching.